Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the ID is updated and the AI plugin is enabled. This reduces compatibility issues. Once enabled, sign into your JetBrains account so the assistant can access settings and extensions. Next, open the project you want to work on and place the cursor where you need help. This tells the assistant context. Now press the assistant hotkey or click the toolbar icon to initialize a session. You'll see suggestions appear, so you can choose what to accept or refine. You will now interact with features that save time and reduce errors. Ask for code completion, refactors, or a unit test template using plain language. When suggestions appear inline, review them carefully, accept what fits, edit what's off, or request alternatives if the context feels wrong. Make sure to refine your prompt by adding file path, function name, or example input so the assistant understands constraints. Once done, run quick local tests to verify behavior and iterate until results match expectations. You finish by validating suggested changes, run tests and linters, and only commit code that meets your CI criteria. Make sure to configure assistant settings. Choose model, verbosity, and data sharing or privacy options so behavior matches your workflow and compliance needs. If the assistant produces incorrect or irrelevant output, give a minimal reproducible example and ask for a targeted fix. This narrows context and speeds correction. Remember one tip: restart the IDE or reindex files if suggestions become inconsistent.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.